This is Team 4 video. These are sprint goals for sprint number 3. First was get a proof of concept for the builder pattern. We did some joystick improvements and bug fixes. We ported over the joystick over to Vue.js, decided on a UI UX design, and improving previous work, as well as researching Blockly. And now I'm going to go over to Brian. He's going to show us a quick demo of the builder program.
All right, very simple script. Made some minor improvements over the last time. Nothing you can really see here. But when the list is run, you can see the colors change on the bottom. Then it'll move for a second. But as we continue on this, I will be adding new commands. But trying to import this over to Vue.js is having some issues, which is going to be one of our primary things for the next sprint.
Now a little bit of Blockly.
Okay, so here's our Blockly page. So you can see, just kind of drag and drop the blocks over here, and I would say, and then after they do their statement, you hit run, and you can see the message pop up right here. And afterwards, we have a little animated trash can here. Go ahead and destroy the block. We have all of our buttons implemented.
Okay, so on the Vue.js side, there were some UI improvements, making it look more like the UI design that we ended up going with. So we can connect to the bot as before. And another addition to this sprint was having this toggle controller, so the user can switch between the joystick or the keyboard, and they can use these buttons and also set a power level, so they can go just like max speed, or they can go just a little lower. And we brought the joystick into view, and there were some improvements made on the joystick just on its own, which Jake can talk about.
Yeah, so there were a few improvements in terms of the joystick constraints. We wanted to limit the actual joystick from going outside the realm of the scrolling. Out of the canvas. The second thing is there was a glitch or a bug, pretty high severity, that when you had the dragger outside the bot, it would click and hold. Now this was fixed on a different branch. It hasn't been pulled over to this one, unfortunately, but we'll get to that. And then finally, a new feature that was also pulled into developer branch was that you can turn in place on a dime like this, and both controls will reverse at one time, at the same time. Each leg will go in opposite directions, so it'll spin in place more easily.